Okay folks, here's our third required trigger for an Archer Arch. Perfect setup. Let's go over to our trading platform, point and click, and 6 contracts short, and we have our fill on the 6E. Average price on our fills are 1.1393 for 6 contracts. Each tick here on the 6E is $12.50. And we're in 6 contracts though, so you can see that we're moving in those increments right here. Again, this is NinjaTrader. We'll help you set it up to where it's a simple point and click. We have our order here for a profit target at the bottom, and at the top in red is our stop order in case things go less than desirable. Now we use a really strict management here. As far as our risk management, and again, that's a major part of it should be a major part of anybody's trading. Unfortunately, many people do not prescribe to that. We do here at DTX, though. As you can see, I'm pulling in my my stop order to break even. So this is a pretty nice trade right here. Now this is an Archer Arch. It's one of our signals. And it's a fairly simple to set up. Here's the arrow. We draw a neckline on the arrow, and then we look for our pullback here, and then we look for a trigger, our third trigger, which is a break of the previous bar's low, in this case for a short. And it's really that simple. We'll show you how this works in instructional classes, and we also have a moderator who calls these trades for you and sets them up for you, so that in the very beginning you can still execute your trades and not have to worry about all the academic side of setting up these trades. Well, you can see right here we're banging off our profit target right now. I'm looking for a pullback here though. I think we're going to go in another 4 contracts short on a pullback to make 10 contracts total. We'll add in a little bit here. This is a very solid trade. As you can see, we're making higher lows, basically a stair stepping down pattern. This has every indication this has more downside to it. So I would like to add to our position here. I'm just hoping we don't hit our profit target just yet. I know that sounds a little silly, but it's but when you have a great setup like this, it's always better to add to a position when you have a very high probability trade such as this. So I'll be looking for a an additional. Let me go over to oil real quick, see if we have any trades on oil. We don't. Okay. All right, back to the 6E here. We're looking to add to this position. We need a little bit more action on this current bar so that I can determine where a pullback will stop at. So Alright, we have a new bar forming right here. What I'm looking for is a break of the previous bar's low, again just like our original entry, but then that's when I'm going to look for the pullback for the additional 4 contracts. So let me change our contract size here to 4. Here's our average entry. That's where we want it. I gotta wait for a break. Let me see how many seconds we have left. 30 seconds left here on our timer. And again, we have moderators who do all this busy work for you. You'll pick it up. Oh, there we go. See how we have our break of the previous bar's low right there? And let me just check it quick at oil. Okay, so here's what we do. We go ahead and point and click, point and click. So watch this. We find our pullback entry right here, point and click. That's it. That's all there is to it. And now we're waiting for the pullback to come up, pick us up, and then We're looking for the probability, the strong probability it'll come down and knock us out with our profit. But again, our stop is set at 1.1393 and our profit target is at 1.1383, 10 ticks. Again, $12.50 a tick per contract. We're in 6 right now, looking to add 4 to make it 10. We just need a little bump up to pick us up. This might involve a little, looks like this thing's coming down, unfortunately for us. And there it is. We didn't get picked up on our other 4, but we did hit our profit target. So there's $750, and that was on one relatively short trade. All right, that's it for today. Thanks a lot.